OG gang, OG gang, OG gang, OG gang. What's going, man? We back, we back. I know it's been a while, but we back. We back. It's a lot to talk about, but we ain't gonna talk about it all in one video. I moved to another spot. I was staying in a one-bedroom apartment for like 3 years, but you know, we up and out of there. We up and out of there. Like that was one of my main goals of this year. That's why I've been like, you feel me? I ain't been trying to post. I've been trying to grind, you know, in real life. But I know y'all seen the thumbnail, man. We back, we back, we back. I know y'all seen the thumbnail. I got this RC remote control car, 4x4. It's 4-wheel drive. Yeah. See what I'm saying? Y'all look closer. I know y'all can see it dirty. It's supposed to be an unboxing, but you know I already been playing with it. But no front and back view. Come with the controller. It's a little flimsy though. Like the controller a little. But that's fine. I mean, ain't no big deal. Then come with a little charger. And then 12.8 volt battery. Charged up. That's good. I mean, overall, I like it. I ain't personally get it for myself. I got it for my son. He 1 year old. So when he see it and I be playing with him, he gets scared. He's scared of it. So we're going to keep it until he get a little older. And then I guess I just continue to play with it. Because I know myself personally, I ain't going to tear it up. But I got it for him. He love it. For sure, he love it. But he's still scared of it. Got little lights on here. They look fake, but they work. They work. I'll put the battery in and show y'all real quick. And I'm going to show y'all that it's 4-wheel drive too. I've been having some fun with this thing, man. I ain't gonna lie, I've been having some fun with it. I got some clips coming too. Let's see if that thing on. But right. 4-wheel drive. I mean, it ain't the fastest of the fastest, but it ain't the slowest of the slowest. It's like mid, I say. It's great though for a kid. For a kid's first toy. I mean, not first toy, but first remote control car. It's great. Honestly, I give it if I was a kid, I'd be happy to have it. See what I'm saying? The first remote control car. If I was a kid, I'd be happy. You know, a good 8 out of 10. It got its ups and its downs. Like, for instance, I feel like it run dead fast. Like, if I go a long distance driving it, it'll go dead fast. And trying to go up steep hills. Like, you can go up certain types of hills. Like, don't get me wrong, it'll go up hills. And you'll feel like it's supposed to go up the hills of the hills with it being what it is. Like, cause you feel me? Like, these climb hills. In real life, they climb hills. So you'll think it gonna climb a hill, but it really don't. I don't think it got the power for it. So that's why I say it has its goods and its bads. You'll think with these wheels on it, it's tearing through something. But I mean, on gravel, it's fine. Grass, it's a little iffy. And going up hills on grass, yeah, a lot iffy. It'll stop sometimes. But we here to talk about the good. The good. I've been having fun with it. I've been having fun. I ain't gonna lie, I've been having fun with it. No cap. I got some footage from the inside and I got some footage from the outside. So we're gonna go and get to that and let me show y'all how it runs.
Bitch, I'm in my body, I feel my soul just like Indian. I done found the reasons why I like to be by myself again. I don't need your company, you not matching my energy. Please pay me that roly-poly, I like the fish stone only. You can pass the double cup, but pass it on occasion only. Caught about being myself, nigga like me, I'm top chef, and you can't find me nowhere, but that's the price of being real. They creating rules, bound to break, they know we carry to him. Thinking he gon' take some, I'ma face some, put him on the news. I don't know why they pump faking, but I don't even know the dude. I don't know this you, I ain't know that, I don't give a fuck about your life, you kept mind at all. Get about your feeling, then you probably see it different. She can't be my babe, not for the night, I don't take no pictures now. I done put my trust inside too many, left my heart cold. And it be the ones who never fall, but they all tend to go. Everyone take they separate route, everyone feel like alpha now. Fuck that boy, we break it down like a balloon, split them now. I'ma chase the bat and fix the problem. If they play with that, then we gon' have to make them run from karma. I won't be the one that harm him, but I won't make that no promise. He don't talk because he blessed. He don't talk, he get you stretched. He don't talk, he saying less. Boy, they thought I was done, I'm having fun, I feel like thugging now. My bro, they ain't know about to play, I'm about to put them down. Cause if you eat, I'm eating now. Cause if I'm eating, you eating now. Yeah. Bitch, I'm in my body, I feel my soul just like Indian. I done found the reasons why I like to be by myself again. I don't need your company, you not matching my energy. Please pay me that roly-poly, I like the fish stone only. You can pair the double cup, but pass it on occasion only.
If you like the video, drop a comment if I should do more videos on this car, or should I get another one and do a video on it, because y'all seen what this can do. Share the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Stay tuned, we got more. I know I've been saying it for a minute, but we got more for real this time. I kind of got some stuff laid down, so we got some more for real this time. So stay tuned, OG gang, stay tuned. Much love. Everybody who tuned in, appreciate you. Tune in to my next video. Continue to watch my old videos. We litty. OG gang.